In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook ads billing issues quickly and easily. Whether your ads have stopped running because of a failed payment or you're seeing billing errors in your account, this full guide will help you sort it out in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and go to Facebook Ads Manager. The easiest way to do this is by typing Facebook Ads Manager in Google and clicking the official link that takes you straight to the dashboard. Once you're on the page, click Go to Ads Manager. If you're not logged in yet, enter your email and password for your Facebook account and click Login. After logging in, you'll be redirected to your Ads Manager homepage where you can see all your campaigns. At the top of the page, look for Billing and Payments. Click it, and this will open the section where you can manage everything related to your ad payments. Next, click on Payment Settings. Here, you'll see your billing summary, including any outstanding balances or pending charges. It's important to check this carefully so you know if you owe any amount. If there's a due balance, click Pay Now to clear it. This is often the simplest way to fix most billing issues right away. Once you've cleared your dues, scroll down to find Add Payment Method. This is where you can add or update your card or account details. Choose your preferred payment type. It could be a credit card, debit card, or PayPal account, and make sure all the information is correct and up to date. Incorrect or expired card details are one of the most common reasons for billing failures. After you've added your updated payment method, confirm that it's set as your primary option. You can do this by clicking Set as Primary next to your chosen method. Also, make sure that your card or account has enough funds to cover your ad spend. Sometimes, even a small shortfall can trigger payment errors and pause your campaigns automatically. If your ads were stopped due to billing issues, Facebook usually resumes them automatically after a successful payment. But if they don't start running right away, go back to your Campaigns tab, select the affected ads, and manually toggle them back to active. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, checking your payment settings, clearing any dues, and updating your payment method, you'll be able to fix Facebook ads billing issues in no time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more digital marketing tutorials.